welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification, so you'll know every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these results. This is a flat twist out, and I only used one product, and that's one product. You will have to watch the video to see. And if you want to see how I got these results, keep on watching. So today I did wash my hair after I did my curly fro. You know, I wanted to wash my hair. You know, I was in that mood. Have you ever been in a mood where you just want to wash your hair? I was in that mood. So today I used the Pink Lemonade collection from the Main Choice, and I decided to use a product for my twist that I have never used for a twist out before. I usually use gels, or I usually use creams or butters, heavy things that will moisturize my hair, and now would be good since the weather is cold, but I decided I wanted to test out something new. So I decided to use the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse. I actually saw Ebony use this on the Main Choice channel. I saw one of her videos on their YouTube channel, and she used this for a twist out, and I loved her results. And I also watched a few other YouTube videos on people using a mousse to do their twist, and I was like, you know what, I want to try it out. So I decided to try it out today on camera to show y'all my results. I did shampoo and deep condition my hair, and I put on a leave-in. Now I used the leave-in from the Do It For The Culture collection, even though I washed and everything with the Pink Lemonade collection. If you didn't already know, you can cocktail the Main Choice products, or pretty much any hair products you can cocktail, as long as the cocktail, the combination works well for you. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I just wrapped this towel around my head to soak up some of the excess water, and as usual my hair is in 4 different sections because that's how I wash my hair. But I'm going to give myself a middle part and flat twist just straight down like that. I was gonna have them coming forward into my face, but I have a game to go to tonight. Cam has their playoff football game tonight, so I plan on wearing my flat cap and I don't want twists coming out the front of my head. I mean the front of my face through my hat. So I'm just gonna do them coming down the sides, and hopefully I get some great results that way. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take the twist out. And my hair is so soft and moisturized, y'all. It's crazy. And I'm gonna take each section out because, like I said, I want to create a middle part, and I need to take all of these down to get a straight middle part. So now that I have my middle part, for the back I really don't mind if it's not a perfect part because I'm gonna be picking that out anyway. So I really don't care if these parts are perfect either, so I don't know why I just did it with a comb. But yeah, put this away. And I usually, when I do my hair, usually start in the back. But for the purpose of showing y'all, I'm going to start in the front. So I'm going to take some of this mousse, and a generous amount, and put it on the section. Making sure that I brush it in, detangle my hair really, really well. Especially for flat twists, you want your hair to be very, very detangled. And I think I may go in with some more of the mousse, especially on my ends. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting. So there's my first twist, and I'm just gonna continue doing this in this whole section. And like I said, I'm not worried about these parts being straight because they're gonna get picked out anyway. And with the way my hair is getting defined with this, I'm beginning to wonder how my hair will look if I did a wash and go with this mousse. So here I am, all finished twisting. I have 5 twists on each side. And my hair feels soft. And you can tell it's shiny. So I'm really excited to see what these results are gonna look like. And since I do have a game to go to tonight, I am gonna sit underneath a hooded dryer for at least 20 to probably 30 minutes just to make sure that my scalp is not soaking wet while I'm sitting out in the cold, because the temperature is supposed to drop into like the 50s. So I don't want to get sick. So I am going to hop under the dryer just to make sure my scalp is not wet. But I'm not going to take these twists down until tomorrow. I want them to sit and marinate. So I will come back tomorrow and show y'all my results. Hey y'all, so I am back. The next day for me, but a second, half a second, millisecond for you. And I am prepared to take down my twist. And I'm kind of nervous only because flat twist outs are famous for getting really frizzy on my hair. So I am kind of nervous, but I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed and we're gonna get started. Okay, y'all, so these are my results, and honestly, I'm not surprised by the frizz, but I'm also not too thrilled with it either, because like I said, usually a flat twist out gives me tons of frizz, regardless of how much trimming I do of my hair, my ends, whatever. I usually get a ton of frizz, and I don't know why. I guess I'm just gonna have to deal with it if I want to do flat twist outs. But I do like the bit of definition that I do have. I am loving it. So yeah, and I like how bouncy and flowy it is. It moves very well. It's not weighed down. But yeah, I do think it could be a little better. Maybe I need to use more product, or my hair needs to be wetter when I do it. I don't know. So honestly, I would consider this a fail. Personally, I would consider this a fail because I was looking for more definition. I was looking for more definition than I actually have. Don't get me wrong, I do have some good definition. I just want it to be better and less frizzy, like at my ends. You can see at my ends where I have a lot of frizz and it's almost afro-like. So yeah, I may have to use more product or just stick with using gels and butter, something that's gonna mold my hair. And I don't know, let me know what y'all think. Give me some tips on how to get a bomb flat twist out, because even though I won't say that I hate it, but I wanted it to look better than what it does. So yeah, give me some tips on what you do for a bomb flat twist out, and I will try to put them into practice. And don't say trim your ends, because I have trimmed my ends. As you can see, my hair is a lot shorter than it usually is. So I have trimmed my ends. Matter of fact, I've trimmed my ends twice within like the last 3 to 4 months. I've cut off a lot. I ain't cutting no more. Okay, so don't say trim your ends. Give me some legit techniques and tips and stuff. So yeah, I do also like the fact that I have a lot of volume, because usually my hair is super duper flat, but it's not today. So maybe it'll grow on me. Maybe as I wear my hair, you know, for the rest of the day or throughout the day, I'm like, you know what, it actually ain't that bad. So keep me in your prayers. But yeah, this is my results. And like I said, leave some tips, tricks, techniques, all that down below, and I will try to put them into practice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.